Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to bring amazing energy into the most personal space in your home, your bedroom. And we're going to do it with one of the most popular, and let's be honest, easiest to care for houseplants out there, the incredible snake plant. Now, you might have heard some conflicting advice about snake plants in the bedroom. Some say it's a big no-no, others swear by it. So, what's the real story? Well, let's clear up the confusion. The idea that snake plants are bad for the bedroom comes from an older, more traditional school of Feng Shui that was wary of any pointed or sharp-looking plants, believing they create sha qi, or cutting energy. But modern Feng Shui has a much more nuanced view, and I'm here to show you how to make it work wonders for you. First, let's talk about why the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, is actually a superstar for your bedroom. Scientifically, it's a powerhouse of air purification. Unlike most plants, it releases oxygen at night, which can lead to better, more restful sleep. Think about that. Your plant is literally working the night shift to help you breathe easier while you dream. From a Feng Shui perspective, the snake plant is a symbol of strength, resilience, and protection. Its strong, upward-growing leaves represent growth and vitality, cutting through negative energy and shielding you from harm. It's like having a silent, leafy guardian watching over you while you rest. So, the big question isn't if you should have a snake plant in your bedroom, but where you should place it for maximum benefit. This is where the magic really happens. The placement is everything, and it all ties back to the Bagua map, the energy grid of your home. Let's start with the most powerful spot, the wealth and prosperity corner. This is usually the far left corner of your bedroom when you're standing at the door looking in. Placing a healthy, vibrant snake plant here can help attract abundance and financial growth. The plant's upward energy encourages your wealth to grow, and its protective qualities help you hold on to it. To give it an extra boost, consider using a beautiful pot, maybe in a color associated with wealth like purple, red, or gold. Make sure the plant is thriving. A sad, droopy plant isn't going to attract much prosperity. Next up, let's talk about the fame and reputation area. This is the far center spot on the back wall of your room, directly opposite the door. The element for this area is fire, and the snake plant's pointed leaves and upward growth mimic the shape of a flame. Placing it here can help enhance your reputation, how you're seen by others, and your personal passion and drive. If you're looking to get recognized at work or want to step into your personal power, this is a fantastic spot. Now, what about health and family? This spot is located in the center left of your room. The associated element is wood, so a snake plant is a natural fit here. Placing a snake plant in the health and family gua can foster growth, vitality, and harmonious relationships within your household. It promotes a sense of grounding and stability, which is essential for overall well-being. This is a particularly great placement if you've been feeling run down or if there's been tension at home. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about personal growth and self-cultivation. This area is in the near left corner of your room, the corner closest to you on the left side as you enter. Placing a snake plant here can support your journey of learning, wisdom, and inner peace. It's the perfect spot if you're studying, starting a new spiritual practice, or simply want to cultivate a calmer, more mindful state of being. The plant's steady, resilient nature will remind you to stay focused and grounded on your path. Now I know what you're thinking. What about placing it right next to the bed? Here's where we need to be a little careful. While a snake plant's energy is generally protective, having it too close to where you sleep, especially if it's pointed directly at you, can sometimes feel a bit too active or sharp for a restful environment. My recommendation is to keep it at least a few feet away from your headboard. Instead of on your nightstand, consider placing it on a dresser across the room or in one of the auspicious corners we just discussed. This allows you to get all the air-purifying and energetic benefits without potentially disrupting your sleep. Let's also talk about the types of snake plants. There are so many varieties. The classic Sansevieria trifasciata, with its tall sword-like leaves, is fantastic for creating that strong, upward protective energy. But there are also bird's nest varieties, which are shorter and grow in a rosette shape. These have a softer, more nurturing energy and can be a great choice if you're worried about the sharpness of the taller types. A Sansevieria cylindrica, with its round, spear-like leaves, offers a unique, modern look while still providing that protective vibe. Don't be afraid to choose the one that you are personally drawn to. Your intuition is a powerful guide in Feng Shui. Remember, the key to good Feng Shui is not just about placing objects. It's about intention and care. When you bring a snake plant into your bedroom, take a moment to set an intention for it. What do you want it to help you with? Better sleep? More abundance? Protection? Talk to your plant. I know it sounds a little silly, but infusing it with your positive energy makes a huge difference. And of course, you have to take care of it. A healthy, loved plant radiates positive chi. A neglected, dusty, or dying plant will do the opposite, creating stagnant or negative energy. The good news is, snake plants are incredibly low maintenance. They thrive on neglect. Water them only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is their #1 enemy. They also don't need a lot of light, making them perfect for bedrooms that might not have a huge, sunny window. Just wipe down their leaves every now and then to keep them dust-free so they can breathe and do their air-purifying job effectively. So, to recap, snake plants are fantastic for the bedroom because they purify the air at night and offer protective, grounding energy. Avoid placing them too close to your bed. Instead, use the Bagua map to find the perfect corner to amplify specific areas of your life. The far left for wealth, the back center for reputation, or the center left for health. Choose a plant you love, set an intention, and take good care of it. By strategically placing a snake plant in your bedroom, you're not just decorating. You're actively curating the energy of your most sacred space. You're creating an environment that supports your dreams, your health, and your happiness. It's a simple, beautiful, and powerful way to bring the principles of Feng Shui to life. I hope this guide has cleared up the confusion and inspired you to give this amazing plant a special place in your bedroom. Have you tried this? Where did you place your snake plant? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and see what results you've experienced. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video on creating a harmonious home. Until next time, may your spaces be filled with positive energy. Bye for now.